Welcome to Turnin and Burnin, your #1 channel, all things blue collar. If this is your first time watching this video, hit that subscribe button. Check out some of the other videos. As you can see, if you've been following along on Firebird Fridays, this is normally where I would be working on the 1969 Firebird, the Labor of Love build, but she's not here. She's been at the body shop, and actually next week coming up, he's gonna start cutting the quarter panels off and getting those on there. So getting this much closer to getting some paint on there, but to kind of keep me going and kind of keep the mind fresh and just wanting to get that build ready to go, I'm gonna head down to Gruene, Texas, and I'm gonna go to RiverRod car show. I went last year with my kids and we loved it. I'm gonna go check it out again this year. It's a little bit drizzly outside, so I don't know how many cars are gonna be there, but I'm gonna go check it out. So check the video out. Peace.
Saturday afternoon, we got a whole lot of shaking going on. A 1 or 2 or 3 or 4, 1 or 2 or 3, go away.
for those who...
Thank you very much. Y'all wonderful. Thank you so much.